How to add animation to videos in CapCut. So as you guys can see, I have a video right here. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to animate this. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on the video, obviously. Then once you click on the video, this option should come up. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on animation, which is the fourth option after video, audio, and speed. So just click on animation. Then once you click on that, you have many options. For example, unfold right here, for example, you have fade in, you have zoom, you have shake slide, you have OTV, you have black hole also. Some of them are free, some of them are not free. For example, this fade in right here is completely free. The zoom one is completely free. Now for out, which is going to be your outro, for example, you could put OTB. This looks super cool. I'm not going to lie. The black hole especially is super fire. I'll be using that. So you could use the black hole, but obviously you need the paid version. For fade out, this is completely free. Slide left, also completely free. So stuff like that. So some of them are free, some of them are paid. So that's how you add animation to your videos in CapCut. If this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.